Is Google about to deliver the biggest battery upgrade for its budget-friendly Pixel series? The Pixel 9a is expected to launch on March 19, with sales beginning a week later on March 26. As always, aims to offer great value by combining a refined design, Google's latest Tensor chipset, and overall improved experience. But the real question is whether its battery life will be a game changer. Leaks suggest the Pixel 9a will come with a massive 5,100 mAh battery, a significant jump from the Pixel 7a and Pixel 8a, which had 4,385 mAh and 4,492 mAh batteries respectively. Even the standard Pixel 9 is expected to have a smaller 4,700 mAh battery, making the Pixel 9 one of the longest-lasting smartphones in Google's lineup. Currently, the only device in the Pixel series with a comparable capacity is the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which features a 5,060 mAh battery. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Pixel 9a could become the go-to option for users prioritizing endurance over anything else. A larger battery is always a welcome upgrade, but what makes this even more interesting is the possibility of new battery technology. In recent years, companies like OnePlus, Vivo, and Honor have introduced lithium silicon batteries, which provide higher energy density without increasing the overall size. If Google decides to incorporate similar advancements, the Pixel 9a could see a substantial boost in battery efficiency without making the phone noticeably bulkier. There is no confirmation yet on whether Google is using this technology, but the mere possibility raises expectations for longer-lasting performance. Battery life, however, depends on more than just the size of the battery. A phone's processor plays a crucial role in determining how efficiently power is used. The Pixel 9a is rumored to feature Google's Tensor G4 chipset, which is expected to offer better power management compared to its predecessors. If this chipset delivers improved efficiency, the combination of a bigger battery and smarter power consumption could allow users to go an entire day or even longer without needing to recharge. While battery capacity is increasing, charging speeds might stay the same. Reports indicate that the Pixel 9a will retain the 18-watt wired charging and 7.5-watt wireless charging seen in previous models. With a 5,100 mAh battery, a full charge could take nearly 2 hours, which is slightly slower than the Pixel 8a, which takes about 1 hour and 46 minutes. In a market where many mid-range and flagship smartphones offer much faster charging speeds, Google sticking to these relatively slower rates might disappoint some users. However, for those who care more about battery longevity than quick top-ups, this may not be a major drawback. Despite the charging speeds remaining unchanged, the extended battery life is expected to be the real highlight. With such a significant boost in capacity, the Pixel 9a could allow users to go through their day without constantly worrying about finding a charger. If Google optimizes the software effectively, this device could outperform many of its competitors in terms of endurance, making it a strong option for people who need a reliable battery without sacrificing performance. Aside from battery improvements, the Pixel 9a is expected to maintain the core strengths of previous models, such as Google's advanced camera software, clean and smooth Android experience, and guaranteed software updates. With a rumored price of $499 United States dollars, it could be one of the most compelling budget-friendly smartphones available, especially if the battery improvements live up to expectations. What do you think about the Pixel 9a's rumored battery upgrade? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech releases. Why did Samsung decide against using its most advanced 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP9 sensor in the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Many would expect the company to equip its top-tier smartphone with the best camera hardware it has ever developed. After all, this high-end sensor is not only a Samsung innovation, but is also being used by other smartphone brands. Yet, when it came to its own flagship device, Samsung made a different choice. This decision has raised questions among tech enthusiasts, but there are solid reasons behind it. One of the biggest factors influencing this move is Samsung's market position. While some competing brands have adopted the ISOCELL HP9 sensor in their premium models, these devices have not seen massive success in terms of sales. They serve more as showcases for cutting-edge technology rather than mainstream bestsellers. On the other hand, Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra series consistently dominates the high-end smartphone market, making it unnecessary for the company to follow trends just for the sake of it. Unlike smaller brands that need to differentiate themselves with hardware upgrades, Samsung already has a strong presence, allowing it to focus on a balanced approach that prioritizes user experience over raw specifications. Another major reason is design practicality. The ISOCELL HP9 sensor is significantly thicker than the one used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra, including it would have required major design modifications, potentially resulting in a bulkier and less ergonomic device. While some companies emphasize hardware upgrades by adding larger camera modules, Samsung has taken a different route. The company aims to maintain a sleek and premium design that does not compromise on usability. A thinner, well-integrated sensor helps achieve this goal without making the device unwieldy. Beyond hardware, Samsung has been placing a strong emphasis on software optimization. Over the past few years, the company has invested heavily in artificial intelligence to improve image processing, enhance computational photography, and optimize overall camera performance. Instead of relying solely on larger sensors to produce better images, Samsung is refining its software to extract the best possible results from the available hardware. This strategy allows for better dynamic range, improved low-light photography, and overall enhanced image quality without the need for physically larger camera components. Samsung's long-term vision also plays a key role in this decision. The company has been shifting its focus towards a seamless user experience that combines powerful hardware with intuitive software. By ensuring that its flagship devices remain balanced in terms of performance, design, and usability, Samsung avoids the pitfall of adding features that may not significantly improve the real-world user experience. A well-optimized system, rather than just high numbers on a spec sheet, is what most consumers ultimately benefit from. That does not mean Samsung is ignoring innovation. The company continues to experiment with advanced camera technologies and may introduce the ISOCELL HP9 sensor in future models or special editions. Devices like the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition have demonstrated Samsung's willingness to test new features in select markets before incorporating them into mainstream products. There are also rumors about a Galaxy S25 Edge, which could potentially introduce different hardware configurations. However, for its primary flagship lineup, Samsung is following a carefully planned strategy that ensures a well-rounded smartphone experience rather than chasing extreme hardware upgrades. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in smartphone technology. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Why would Samsung make its new flagship weaker than last year's model? That's what a lot of people are asking after durability tests showed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is more prone to scratches than the S24 Ultra. But before jumping to conclusions, let's take a closer look at why Samsung might have made this decision and whether it's actually a good thing. What the tests show. Durability tests usually include a scratch resistance test, where different levels of sharpness are used to see when a phone's screen starts to get marked. Most flagship phones begin showing scratches at level 6, with deeper marks at level 7. Last year, the Galaxy S24 Ultra surprised everyone by holding up until level 7, which meant it was one of the most scratch-resistant Samsung phones ever. But now, with the S25 Ultra, things have gone back to level 6, making people wonder if Samsung downgraded the screen quality. The trade-off between scratch resistance and durability. At first, this seems like a strange decision, but there's a good reason behind it: drop protection. When glass is made more scratch resistant, it also becomes harder and more brittle. That means if you drop your phone, it's more likely to shatter. On the other hand, a screen that's softer and less resistant to scratches is less likely to break on impact. Samsung might have realized that most users aren't scratching their screens often, but a lot of people are dropping their phones. Plus, many people use screen protectors, which already add extra scratch protection. What this means for you. So, is this a bad thing?